Know what sizes I have taken for this house. Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers demand. So the beautiful tiny house with rooftop you are watching on the screen in this video, I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is width is 23 feet in meter 7 meter and the length is 23 feet in meter 7 meter. On the front side we have a outdoor sitting area here. The size of the outdoor sitting area is 9 feet 10 inches into 3 feet 4 inches in meter 2.99 into 1.06 meter. There is a sliding door. After that we will go inside. So we have living area here. The size of the living area is 9 feet 10 inches into 10 feet in meter 2.99 into 3.04 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement and also large size window for ventilation and light purpose. We have rooftop area. The size of the rooftop area is 10 feet 3 inches into 3 feet in meter 3.12 into 0.91 meter. This area will be open to sky and covered by glass. On the left side we have a bedroom. The size of the bedroom is 10 feet into 9 feet in meter 3.04 into 2.74 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement and also TV unit arrangement. On the front wall we have two large size window for ventilation of the bedroom. After that we will go inside. So we have common use washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 6 feet into 3 feet 8 inches in meter 1.82 into 1.11 meter. You can see here the water closet and the shower. Also we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. After that we will go inside. So on the right top corner we have kitchen cum dining area. The size of the kitchen cum dining area is 12 feet into 9 feet in meter 3.65 into 2.74 meter. You can see here the burner, sink and also refrigerator arrangement, and we have a dining counter here with a dining table and 3 chairs. After that we will go on left side. So we have bedroom number 2 here. The size of the bedroom is same 10 feet into 9 feet in meter 3.04 into 2.74 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement and also a TV unit arrangement. On the front wall we have 2 windows for ventilation and light purpose. We have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. The size of the washroom is 6 feet into 4 feet in meter 1.82 into 1.21 meter. You can see here the water closet and the shower area. We have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom and also we have a window for ventilation of the kitchen. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.